Hi guys, welcome to another Cadivel Academy's video. My name is Moises Hess, I'm Cadivel Professionals Educator, and today I'll tell you a secret on how to treat damaged hair and leave them super healthy and full of shine all at once. This is Leo Prenda, he's also Cadivel Professionals Educator, and today he's going to be helping me with this service. And this is our model Mariana, who is very excited to get her hair revigorated and full of shine. Today's theme is Cocoa Shot Service. It's my secret to repair and shield hair against future damage in just one application. To perform this treatment today, I'm gonna use Extreme Repair line from Brasil Cacau that conquered professionals all over the world in more than 80 countries. The first step is to apply the Extreme Repair shampoo, massaging strand by strand until it foams. After that, Leo will rinse the hair, and if needed, he will repeat the process. Now we'll apply the Cocoa Dose ampule. I usually say this is the secret for a very shiny, silky, and smooth hair. And we apply the product, massaging it strand by strand. After we finish the application, we'll let it act for 5 to 10 minutes and then begin the next step. Now we're going to apply the Extreme Repair mask and overlay to the ampule. What I mean is, we're not going to remove the product before applying the mask, okay? We will apply the mask the same way we did with the Cocoa Dose to make it easier to the nutrients to penetrate the hair. This mask has an intelligent selective technology that will act exactly where the hair is weakened, treating it from the cortex. Let's wait 5 to 10 minutes and rinse to remove all the product. Now we've finished the step-by-step of the treatment, and we're gonna blow dry and style the hair of Mariana. To finalize Mariana's hair, we're gonna do some waves, and I'm gonna be using beach waves. It's a product that has memory effect, which means it's gonna make the waves last for longer. We have come to the end of the video, and I'm sure that Cocoa Shot is going to be a big success in your salon. This is the result that we have for Mariana's hair. Look how gorgeous it is. Your client should also use the home care line at home to maintain a healthy hair. Well, that's it. If you liked the video, please go on our channel, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you again on another video. Thank you.